This might just be the best action camera mount for a motorcycling vlogger that ever existed. So most of the time I consider myself to be a fair weather rider, and I don't get out on my bike as much as I'm sure I should. And when I do decide to get out on my bike and think about making a video for the vlog, to be honest with you, I can't always be bothered for a couple of reasons. One, I've got to kind of get the GoPro mount it into this mount up here, and I really hate the mounting on the top of the helmet, which is another reason why I don't like that kind of the positioning of it. Really what's best is to have, well, the best is to have the mounting on the front, but that's not always feasible. So then you look for something on the side, and you kind of have to have the right angle of kind of things sticking out in a certain way and some different attachments. And then also if you want to have it on the chin, it's not always your helmet has a nice flat front. Perhaps it's going to interfere with the air vents. Different helmets obviously got different issues. And so basically I just decide most of the time that it's just a pain in the butt and I can't be bothered to do it. Now that is until I got hold of one of these. It is the Dango Design Gripper Mount. You can use your GoPro on here, you can use your DJI Osmo. Basically most action cameras that have that kind of 3-slotted type of fitting enables you to be able to use this. So again, comes in multiple color options. I went for the orange just because if for some reason it does fall off, hopefully it's going to be easier for you to find it. Comes with the gripper, like you can see here. Comes with the kind of little connector knob to connect your GoPro or your Osmo or whatever. Also comes with a little mini lanyard that you can kind of connect on there as well. But it works really, really well. So at the end of this video, I will include just a little bit of footage of me testing it out on my Indian Scout bobber. And I actually used it on my next helmet just here. But basically whatever helmet you have, it is just as simple as grabbing your helmet, open up the jaws, which can be a little bit tricky because it's a nice strong grip on there, popping it up, and that's it. You're done. Whatever helmet you have, you pop it in, you grip it, and it's done. So again, that's here on my Shark helmet. I'll just pop that out of the way. Grab my next helmet. Exactly the same. So just pop open the jaws. Get it in position so it's nicely center mounted. Put your camera on there and you're good to go. So the advantage here is also you get the best positioning in terms of the viewer, so you're kind of really on board with the rider, but you haven't had to faff around kind of trying to clip something in, and also having to stick something to your helmet, which, to be honest, if you have multiple helmets, it's probably not too much of an issue. Personally, I do care a little bit about aesthetics, and I don't like the fact that I have a GoPro mount on my helmet when I don't have a GoPro on there. So that's why this works out really, really well. So in terms of these gripper jaws, a couple of things. This kind of main piece where obviously your action camera connects to, again, be that a Osmo or a GoPro, I use GoPro, has a 2-axis rotation. So again, if you wanted to do something odd with it, you can just push this in and spin it around into a different orientation. Again, if you don't want to use this perhaps on your helmet, perhaps you want to clip it to a rucksack that's on your back, perhaps you have a skateboard that you want to put it on. Anything that you can clip and attach something to, you can with the gripper mount. I would be a little bit careful about what you connect it to though, only because of the way how the gripper mechanism works. So I try and kind of move a bit closer so you can see and test out my finger muscles, because it is a good amount of tension on these grippers. So on the black side, just here, which hopefully you can see, that's a nice soft rubber material, which typically goes on the kind of outside of the helmet piece, so you're not ruining the paint job. But on the inside, it is a hard, grippy plastic. So normally that's going on the material side, it's not going to cause a problem, but perhaps you want to grip this onto handlebars or something, it may scratch a little bit. So just something to keep in mind. You probably might want to put a little bit of cloth or rubber or something in between there. So as mentioned, various colours available. I went for orange because it's loud and proud, and if it somehow did fall off, which I don't think it will, because again, you really have to put some tension in to be able to open this. It opens up to 2.5 inches, so good variety of what you can connect it to. There's optional adapters that you can get for this if you want to be able to connect it to slightly different things. I just went for all of the standard options. Weighs 72 grams, so really lightweight. Obviously the extra weight of whatever camera you put on there, but I think this is the future. For me, I feel already that if I want to do a motorcycle vlog, it's less effort. I can just clip this on, make the video, when I get to wherever I'm going, take it off again, put it in a pocket, put it in a backpack or anything, and it's not so much of an issue. So definitely consider checking one of these out. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon, which is where I picked up mine, the Dango Design Gripper Mount. I think it's definitely worth investing in if you like to make motorcycle vlogs. Okay, so I hope this video was kind of helpful for you. If it was, please press the like button. It'd be much appreciated. Feel free to leave any feedback and ask questions down below in the comments. And I would really appreciate if you would subscribe and perhaps also tap that bell icon for other Spectrum Geek related videos that come live on this channel in the future. Take care of yourself, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.